I'm the most tired and unelegant looking traveller person right now. We are, we're actually just heading over here. We're going to Singapore, we're going for work, but while we're there, we're also going to be going to see the F1, and then we're also going to be going to Hong Kong, and if I wasn't so tired right now, I'd be really excited about it. Get my bags together. David's travelled light, I have not. Oh, I know.
So I get everything ready in certain sections.
Oh, we need boots first, don't we? I want to go and have a look in Chanel because today we are tax-free. I look really pale on that. Today we're tax-free. There are some things I want to look at if they have them, but we're just going to get toothbrushes and stuff because I didn't bring mine because mine's electric and I couldn't be bothered. There's that jacket that David said you got to be drunk to wear. I really like it though.
Yeah, it's too hot.
Yeah, I know it's too hot where we're going, but I like the jeans as well. They came in grey and I preferred them. She's like giving you side eye. We went into Chanel and I bought a couple of things and I'm going to do a haul on the aeroplane, but before I do, David, what can I get you to drink? This is the life. That's why I said to you shouldn't have eaten that gruesome sandwich that you ate.
Well, the trouble is, she drank me out, I was starving.
We were, when I was in Chanel, David was like, I'm so hungry. So he, and I said to you,
all you wanted to do was shop.
Well, of course, I said to you, don't eat that sandwich because there's complimentary food and it's really good. This is the first class suite.
About 6 bags.
Shame I can't do this anymore.
We actually had to get to the airport early so that she could go shopping. Who gets to the airport early?
I'm sorry for holding this, I just want to make sure that you can hear me. So earlier I went into Chanel and when I went in there I did try and film it, but they were like, can you not? And I was like, okay, fair enough. So I got 2 things. One thing in particular I feel really amazing to have because I've always wanted something in terms of ready to wear from Chanel, and this is my second ready to wear thing. I did go in there and ask for a classic flap, but they said that Chanel deliberately don't put them in the airport because they don't want people to get the 20% discount, so you can only really get seasonal things, but that's okay. I still got good stuff. This is the weirdest thing I think I've ever done. I'm so excited to have this for it's really thick wheat. Cotton something are absolutely gorgeous. I only had one left and I managed to get it and it was tax-free, which is always a pretty good thing. Second thing is in here. You look riveted. I wish you could see David's face right now.
No, I'm thinking where I should go and put my trousers on there.
So I really wanted to get a bag, but you know I couldn't. So instead, I got this. Do you know, the fact that this is so weird, combined with the fact that I'm so deliriously tired right now, makes me feel like I'm on drugs. Guys. Hold David, hold this up.
Where's the rest?
This one. The rest is here. Right, turn it around. No, turn it to the camera. Yeah.
take your meal order.
Yes, is that okay? Thank you.
No worries, that's fine.
This is my starter, scallops. So I ordered roast chicken. Oh, there's a seal on it. Sea lavender and samphire hand cream. Very good. This is so silly. It is. So, no. God, it's one. Okay, the next thing is, it is, I can't even read that, deodorant. I think the lighting here is quite bad. That's everything. Oh no, and there's a pen. We need the pen for the boarding pass thing, card. Okay, leave it in there. Can I also say, I'm really sorry for the sound of this, it's bad. I don't know if I'm talking to it too close.